Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI Guru. So today we are going to discuss about count function and what is the difference between count, distinct count and distinct count with no blank. So these are the three functions we use it multiple times and based on different scenarios. So let's see. So this one is count function. So we basically perform some count operations, means count of transactions, count of products, like that. That time we need to perform this count operation. So the dex for this is count in bracket. We can give the column name for which we need to perform count. So this is count. Now we can go to distinct count. So distinct count is to perform count operation on all unique values. We use distinct count. So basically it will give all the unique records. So this is the syntax here with distinct count. So let's go to distinct count no blank in Power BI. So to perform count operation by getting all the unique values and excluding null values as well, we can use this operation. So let's see in Power BI how we use this. So this is our Power BI dashboard. Here we create a measure. We can give the name like measure count m underscore count equal count count, and here we can give the column name. Let's see product code, bracket close. Our measure is created now. Let's take one table and pass this value. First we will pass this product code only, and based on category, so category we will come first. So based on category, how many product codes are there in, so that we will count. So let's see this one. What is the count of this product code? So here as well we can perform this count operation. And the next thing is from measure. So measure we have created this m count. So let's pass this one. And we can see here there is no aggregate function here. So this is the measure and we can see the value. It is calculating the same values. Now we can move to distinct count as well. So let's create one more measure, that is for m underscore distinct count equal distinct count and we pass product code as a column. Now our measure is created. Let's pass this one as well into the table, and it is showing 4, 3 and 5. So we can see here, means here it is 7, here it is 4. So it means 3 records are having duplicate values. So we can see the data. So we can see here for the distinct count the difference was 3. So we are getting actually 4 different 4 unique values for category A. So we can see here P001, 2, 3 and fourth one it is counting as blank. So these 4 values are coming, and again 1, 2, these are already coming, so these are duplicates. So total 4 values are coming for category A. So this is correct. Now we can see with distinct count with no blank. So again we can create a new measure. So we can give the measure name as m underscore distinct no blank equal DISTINCT. Now we can see distinct count no blank function is here, and we can give the column as product code enter. Now this column is created. Now we can pass this. So we can see here there was one blank, so that it has already discarded, so it is coming as 3. So this is the difference between count and DistinctCount and DistinctCountNoBlank function. Hope you guys have understood it very well. Thank you.